Okay, I'm gonna buy now Superman ticket. I have all the time in the world for tonight. Wanna join? Are you sure? Okay, but it's not an Atmos format, but it's okay. I'm gonna still buy a ticket for Superman. It's 8:30, so I can still prepare myself before I watch on the movie inside the movie house, and I can have the trailers before the movie start. Superman. Shout out to each and every one of you, okay? Shout out to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Shout out to my mother in Bicol, Feaborda, and to Helen Carreta of San Roque, Legazpi City. Superman. Ba't hindi nyo nalang tinuloy-tuloy yung Atmos?
Wala na po, sir.
Hindi, yan sana mga... How many we are for tonight?
Atmos?
Oh, hindi.
Atmos po, sir, sa Fantastic
Oo,
Four.
hindi, ibig sabihin, bakit hindi inano yung Atmos for this Superman?
Wala na po.
Kasi,
For regular cinema na lang po.
hindi, I just wanna know the reason. Why is it that...
Hindi rin po namin alam, sir, sa taas rin gumagawa ng schedule.
Okay, hindi, pag ano nga, can you please ask your manager kung bakit sometimes they didn't continue the Atmos format, ha? Para may idea ka rin, just in case magtanong ako. Sige, yun na lang.
Ano po?
Superman.
Superman. Isa lang po.
Oh.
Light blue, bilog po.
Kita mo, ang dami pa nanonood. Oh. J. I want J. J. J6. Ay, ano? Tama, J6.
J6,
Oh.
I-11.
Oo. So, can I ask for a discount?
Wala na.
She doesn't want to give me discount talaga. Sige no, kahit ano na tunog. Minsan lang ano sa kanya, hindi wala akong mapagbigyan. Regular patrons. Regular patron.
I-receive 500.
So it's not an Atmos. She'll be gonna ask, why is it that Atmos they didn't? Why is it that they didn't continue the Atmos format for the rest of the week? But since I have my
Change yung po 80 pesos.
food to eat in here, junk
Cinema
food.
70. Thank you po.
Hold on. Okay, so let's proceed. We are here. Okay, sorry. I have here what's this? Potato chips, and I asked for a service drink in a resto. That's fine. Hold on. Cinema 18. So bye for now, guys and gals. Join me now. Here. Trailer started na. Di ba po? Come over here. So here we are. Dark. I know I'm gonna love this movie. Superman. So if you have time, you can also watch JJJ. Here we are. J6. 6. Okay. Finally. Forget about the worries. Bye for now.